Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about delete call in Cypress. What is delete means? Whenever we create one record, that record we need to delete from the DB and that should not be presented in after deletion. Okay, that is called a deletion operation. Now you can see example. I'm going to create one record here. I took this record. I'm going to get call place. I'm going to verifying this particular one. You can see now I'm able to verify this particular record. But if I'm going to delete now for that particular record, if I'm going to delete this particular record, now you can see 204 it is there is no response for me. Now again I'm going to come to the get call. If I'm the same record, I'm going to try again. You can see resource not found, error and 404 status code is coming. Okay, this is called that record is completely deleted from the record database. Okay, there is no more present in a DB. Okay, this called as a deletion. If something in real time we can able to send some employee want he went out of the company, then we need to delete a soft. It is not a hard delete, it's a soft delete. Soft delete means the record will be presented in a hidden field but it will not be presented. That particular record will be closed. Okay, which is a row number is presented, that row number will be for him only. Okay, that is called as real time. Okay, and how we can able to test it now we'll see in our case. And here we need to create for suit first for delete call, and I'm going to create for function. Then we can able to create the test case, delete method, and again function, and then we are need to create for request. Okay, that request having all the information. What are the information we need to provide inside the request? First we need to provide the method. What type of method we have? That is called a delete. Delete is our call. Then we can able to use for delete here. Okay, comma, then we have URL, then we can able to pass it for URL. Now we already record deleted, then I'm going to do for again one more record creation, and this record I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and I'm copying this entire URL. See, now I'm doing for hard coding. Actually I'm going to creating a record there, and I'm coming back here and I'm doing all the things. But if you want to see end-to-end flow of what exactly up to record deletion without taking it hard-coded value, then how we can able to do it means we can end-to-end flow time we can able to see. After this video, I'm going to upload one more video that is called end-to-end flow for API testing using Cypress. Okay, please watch that video. You can able to understand complete information about our end-to-end flow. Okay. And how we need to take for runtime values for get call and post call and put call and again delete call. This all the four operations I'm going to do for one end-to-end flow for that. And then operation, and I'm going to create a function to response because we need to validate for response status code, that is 204 for expected is the condition to verifying our response dot status, and here is 2 dot eq, and then we need to pass for 204. Then it will delete after deletion, it will get it for 204. Okay, how we can able to do it means, and here I'm going to do for npx cypress open. Once we open, then it will open our cypress. We'll see whether we are able to delete, but this delete condition it will work for only one record. If you do for second record, it will throw some error. Okay. Now we can see here I'm going to call it for delete call. Then we can able to see 204 validation assertion is passed. Okay, this is called a deletion of hard coding value, but in real time we can able to, will not do for a hard coded values. We need to do for every time runtime, which is the value we created. Thus, that particular value we need to reuse. Then only we can able to do it. Okay, how we can able to do it for parameterization, like how we can able to pass over creation, after creation that particular variable, and we need to capture and we need to call for get class, and again we need to do for another call. How we can able to do, we'll see in the next video session. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.